Echo. Make a guitar sound. Ha! It works! My turn. Echo. Make a trumpet sound. Oh man, the musical instrument thing works. Echo. Make a flute sound. A flute sound. That's just perfect. Your turn now. Echo. Make a drum sound. What? What? That wasn't a drum. That didn't even sound like a drum. That was a dolphin. Okay, let me try. Echo. Make a drum sound. Oh, man. This is weird. Why did I ask for a drum sound if she is making random animal noises? How about we try a bongo drum? Good idea. Echo. Make a bongo sound. What? What was that? It sounded like a monkey. It's no use, Pinky. I don't think she'll ever make a drum sound. How about we do snare? Echo. Make a snare drum sound.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Oh, man! This sucks. How about we try the old drum thing and see if she can hear me correctly? Echo. Make a drum sound. What? Pinkie Pie! What was that? I don't know. It sounded like a whale. Maybe we should make drum sounds. Good idea. Yeah! Oh man, we do good drummers. Alright, how about we make a saxophone sound? Echo. Make a saxophone sound. Wow! Okay, Echo. Echo. Make a clarinet sound.
Sorry, something went wrong.
Oh, snap! Only she can make a few musical instrument sounds. And when I ask for a bongo, it makes a monkey sound. And when I ask for a drum sound, she makes random noises. She probably thinks you're saying just make a sound, random sound. Forget about it. How about we move on, okay? Loser is a rotten apple.